The Cartech Wheel Doctor repairs alloy wheels with up to 1 mm damage. Approved by TÜV, Germany's technical inspection body, it guarantees top-notch performance. Easily lift up to 250 pounds of shingles or insulation onto your roof with this ladder hoist. Its folding aluminum platform is lightweight yet strong and durable. The Supermax Double Brush Sander delivers top-quality wood finishing, handling both raw wood and pre-finished surfaces effortlessly. The Bessey Plattenträger panel carrier supports up to 75 kilograms. Its rubber-coated clamps securely hold sheets without leaving marks or causing damage. Hinge Jig ensures perfect concealed hinge installation with adjustable screws and precise edge alignment for flawless results. DeWalt's cordless cable stripper handles cables up to 4 inches in diameter, with a depth stop for safe, consistent stripping every time. The WorkPro folding knife combines durability with versatility for cutting tasks, designed with user convenience in mind. Modified 3D Pro refines your 3D prints with ease. It smooths imperfections quickly with temperature control up to 450 degrees Celsius. The WorkSharp tool sharpens knives like a pro with medium, fine, and ceramic surfaces for quick and precise results. The Craig K4 makes flawless corner joints in boards, providing strong, visually appealing connections every time. Retractable ratchet straps simplify securing items like bikes, boats, or appliances in just 15 seconds. The Bora Portamate transforms from a compact table to a spacious 7-foot workstation with fold-out wings. This innovative level makes alignment effortless. Its unique design ensures visibility of bubbles even at acute angles. This compact Ryobi machine cuts through metal, tile, plastic, PVC, and more. Lightweight and versatile for any project. The ArborTech Power Chisel simplifies intricate woodworking with high-powered precision and an ergonomic design. The Power Duction 10R induction heater makes separating jammed metal parts easy with a lightweight portable design. Ryobi Big Red Car Stands, made of forged steel, support up to 6,000 pounds with adjustable heights for various tasks. This 19-pocket tool belt organizes your tools with various compartment sizes, ideal for construction or outdoor work. Rapid Slim safely and quickly removes old paint from wood, perfect for renovation and restoration. This durable wedge prevents chainsaw pinching during tree felling, providing excellent grip and stability. This drawer installation jig ensures precise alignment, with special stops for framed and frameless cabinet furniture. This compact rotary hammer excels in drilling and chiseling tasks, offering high performance with lightweight maneuverability. The Pin Doctor removes and installs hinge pins easily, simplifying door installation and hinge adjustments. Keep hoses organized and protected with these retractable reels, ideal for gardens or outdoor maintenance. The Trex One-Step TL installs concealed fasteners effortlessly with its precision-matching nose cone and ergonomic design. The The Vevor Nibbler cuts sheet metal with precision, offering reliability for intricate metalworking tasks. This jig creates ultra-strong joints for 2x4 or 4x4 boards, with hardened steel guides for long-lasting durability. The second-gen bead bazooka seats large tire beads instantly with its powerful, fast-acting air release valve. The Geismar Shark rail drilling machine is robust and efficient, perfect for railway construction and maintenance. This compact steel dolly makes moving heavy furniture effortless, thanks to its durable and portable design. Ideal for camping or emergencies, this portable rope saw cuts efficiently through wood with minimal effort. The Micro Jig Blade Cleaner keeps your wood tools in top shape by removing debris and resin buildup. The versatile Works Aero Cart moves soil, branches, or even refrigerators, transforming into the ultimate garden tool. This drill guide ensures perfectly perpendicular holes for professional-grade results every time. This cordless dual bevel miter saw offers precision, versatility, and mobility for job sites or workshops. The semi-automatic work screwdriver makes switching bits easy with a simple slide mechanism, including 6 bits. This compact cutter handles tight spaces, ideal for precise cutting and finishing in metalworking projects. The airlifter uses compressed air to move heavy objects with ease, creating a cushion for smooth movement. This extra-large jig creates strong joints for larger boards, with hardened steel guides for precise and reliable drilling. The virtually indestructible Ox Pro Tough Level, made of high-quality aluminum, delivers precise measurements. This adapter redirects drill rotation, perfect for tight spaces where a standard drill can't reach. This hammer's steel shot-filled head delivers powerful, non-recoil hits, perfect for precision automotive work. Makita's LED work light ensures glare-free, efficient illumination for job sites or workshops. DeWalt's oscillating tool, powered by a brushless motor, replaces multiple tools in one compact device. This rechargeable tape dispenser streamlines masking with precision and enhances productivity. The Makita Combo Kit includes a brushless blower and trimmer for quiet, efficient gardening and lawn care. The M-Power Sharpener System uses diamond surfaces for quick, professional-grade tool sharpening. This laser-engineered diamond pad delivers professional finishes, ideal for precision surface polishing. These 24-inch bar clamps provide up to 5,000 pounds of force, perfect for securing large or heavy parts. This specialized drill bit makes splitting logs easy with its unique fluted design and pointed tip. This tool shapes and finishes edges efficiently, with adjustable stations for different materials. The Works clamping sawhorse folds for easy storage, providing stability for cutting and assembly tasks. This extendable saw trims high branches safely from the ground, perfect for tree maintenance. The The Fisker's drill creates perfect holes for flowers or fence posts with minimal effort, up to 100 millimeters wide. This cable stripper ensures clean cuts without damaging conductors, ideal for industrial and electrical work. The adjustable mobile roller smoothly moves heavy objects across various surfaces with ease. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos by pressing the bell icon.